Hey guys, today we're going to go ahead and restring a Husqvarna. You want to start with your string. So get the string that you're going to put on, grab the two ends, and go ahead and pull it down the center until you get to the center point of your string. Once you're at your center point, go ahead and crease it, and then take off the housing. You take off the housing by pushing in the two clips. You can then take out the center ring. Your center ring has a top and a bottom. The top is the smooth, the bottom is the one that has the lip on it. In the center of the ring, you'll have two clips, one here, one on the other side. It doesn't matter which one you pick, just pick one, and go ahead and hook your string onto it. And from there, start pulling and winding your string on. When you get to the end of your string, you can do one of two things. You can go ahead and just place it straight into the housing and push it onto each clip, or something a little easier is you can put them one string into this circle here, bring your other string around, and put it into the opposite circle. This will hold it until you put it back in the housing. Put it back in the housing with those two circles lined up with the U channels. And then while holding it in, pull those down into the U channels. Now, if you have too much string out, you can take it and just turn it, and it'll pull some of that string back in for you. Once you have enough string in there where you want, how much you want out, go ahead and just put it back on with the two clips. And now it's ready to go ahead and be used. As you weed eat, you just hit the blue button. It will auto let the string out and trim it with blade to the length it needs to be.